Oh, wow, what a beauty, just arrived in direct from the last owner who we have done business with before. It is absolutely gorgeous. It is just unbelievable, the condition of it. It's a 2021 BMW 128 Ti Sport automatic. It is gorgeous. Cannot believe how nice this car is. 31,000 miles. Very rare factory options of the live BMW Cockpit Plus and the factory sunroof, electric sunroof, which is a very rare option. Finished in Alpine white, with of course you can see the red accents. It is stunning. It's a 2-litre petrol, 265 brake horsepower, front wheel drive. What a hot hatch. A hot hatch, family hatch. So if you've got a family, need the room but still want the performance, you cannot beat this. 128 Ti, as I said. Massive boot on it for the size of the car. Beautifully clean, not been abused. Split folding rear seats. And you've got lots of storage under there. Just hide a few things away. All the loading area absolutely perfect, no damage to that. Rear parking sensors. Nice with the black contrast, twin exhaust of course. All absolutely unmarked there. Beautiful all the way around. This one also has the rear privacy glass, which again was an option. All down the sides, absolutely beautiful. No dents, no scratches, no scrapes, no dings. All the wheels are absolutely perfect. This is how the car came in. We have not refurbished the wheels. Just look at those, absolutely perfect. All the tyres, all matching in great condition. It is slide and tilt sunroof. Close up of the near side front wheel. Of course the nice little M Sport badge in the middle of them. All those, as you can see, all unmarked. Again the tyres, plenty of tread all across the front. Absolutely beautiful. No scrapes, no dents. LED headlights. Front parking sensors. You might find the very odd tiny stone chip, but I can assure you it is absolutely beautiful. And this is why we do the videos. A full close-up video, not just a quick swish round for a minute. We give you full details so you can make an informed decision from the comfort of your armchair. Full transparency, nothing to hide. Again, the driver's wheel, absolutely perfect. It's got matching Bridgestone tyres all the way around. And again the final wheel. Just beautiful. Let's take you inside. The carbon effect trim there, the red stitching, the attention to detail is just beautiful. Again, look at the condition of those seats, the trims. Non-smoker's car, no nasty spots in the vehicle. USB port on the rear. Again, the driver's door trim, electric windows, electric mirrors, folding mirrors, sport seats. That just slides forward to give you extra support. All the seats in great condition. Nice TI on the centre armrest. USB input in there. All the dashboard, all unmarked. 31099, that's all it's done. 31099, 2021 plate. Of course you've got the blind across. All just one touch, nice and easy and safe. So tilt and slide. Big screen navigation. All very, very easy to navigate the menu. Great sound system of the vehicle. As I mentioned, this does have the live BMW system on it. Parking sensors with a visual display. All the various settings on the menu. All the history. Dual zone climate controlled, heated front seats, all the preset stations, and of course all the menus worked off there for the navigation, the radio, everything on there. Of course you can change the suspension, Eco, Pro, Individual, Comfort. Just scroll through and get the car exactly how you want it to handle. And of course that shows on the dashboard in front of you as well. And you can change the screen settings to how you want to see it. Paddle shift gear change, cruise control speed limiter, all the various stereo controls on there. As you can see, the menu changing in front of you on the dashboard. Folding mirrors. What a fabulous car. Of course we have 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. Great finance available direct from ourselves, HP or PCP deal. Use our online finance calculator to work out your HP or PCP deal with low deposits, low monthly payments, and apply it direct off our finance calculator on the website. Very quick, very easy. Remember, if you really want this car, simply hit reserve on our website. And remember our full money back guarantee. If you feel the car is not as described, we'll refund the money, no questions asked. Specialist Cars, a multi-award-winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. Reserve and collect from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Please ask us for full and further details how that operates. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Established since 1997, we're open Monday to Saturday. Our phone number is 01782 822 700. We welcome part exchange. Simply use the link on our website to give us all your details and we'll come back to you with an accurate part exchange valuation for your car. Can you believe the combined miles per gallon is just over 70 according to BMW? What a phenomenal miles per gallon for a performance car. Our phone number again, if you don't want to miss this beauty, is 01782 822 700.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.